It's a bright morning on Lake Erie. There's birds whistling, and the orange sunlight is just right over the horizon. We are here to catch several species of fish today, which include steelhead trout, walleye, and salmon. We're mainly trolling today using baitcasters and rapalas.
It just takes the Wi-Fi off. It just takes the Wi-Fi off. It's not.
So it keeps it from running.
Okay.
You can take pictures or whatever.
Oh, okay. That's what
You can't do anything else.
So you can take pictures.
You can take pictures.
Check a lot.
Yeah.
Oh. Which way I need to go, Greg? Straighten this out.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Yeah, there you go. You're doing it.
Keep it up in there. See that boat is still trying to get off. Keep it up.
Take your time, bud.
Got him.
All right. Yeah. Woo. All right. Nice fish.
Man.
Wow.
That's great.
Nice fish, man. Is it a walleye, you think?
Oh yeah.
Man, that's a nice
You can
one.
tell.
Ty.
You know how you can tell the gender of a walleye? The males are coming in with their mouths.
Are you kidding? Are you serious?
No. If Susan wasn't here, it would be all females.
Got him!
Wow,
Yeah.
look at that.
All
That's a
right.
nice one. Wow.
Nice.
That's a good one.
Good job, buddy. Fives. All right.
Here's a coho salmon.
That's just what they call it. That's what they call it up there.
We got a lot of salmon. We got a lot of
As always, thanks for watching my channel, and I hope you can get out there and catch some more fish.